I stay home if it rains. I wash my hands before I cook. I see that it is raining. I feel better after I eat. If you call me, I will answer. I finish my work before I sleep. She smiles after she wakes up. I know that you are tired. If he studies hard, he passes. We eat dinner after we pray. Close the door before you leave. I think that this is easy. If they come early, we start. She checks her bag before she goes. He rests after he works. I believe that she is honest. If it gets cold, wear a jacket. Brush your teeth before you sleep. We talk after we finish dinner. I hope that you understand. If she feels sick, she stays home. Wash the dishes after you eat. Think carefully before you answer. He says that he is ready. If we hurry, we catch the bus. I relax after I finish work. She calls her mom before she leaves. I heard that he won. If you try again, you succeed. We clean the room before guests arrive. He feels happy after he wins. I know that this is true. If I wake up early, I walk. She studies before she takes the test. They celebrate after they win. I think that he is right. If you need help, call me. We pray before we eat. He sleeps after he watches TV. She said that she was busy.